Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you are doing well with the family. Happy Ramadan to everyone, those who are keeping Roja during this Mubarak month. Today we are going to make fried rice. Normally you all are preparing biryani, akhni, then pilau. But today fried rice, very simple but unique way. Presentation is a different. Every Wednesday we are presenting our cooking class from Shama Women's Center. Shama is running many classes like hairstyles, makeup artists is also providing their services, then art and craft, baking, counselors also there to help you out. Any queries if you have, contact Shama Women's Center. And today we are going to make fried rice. So let's move toward the fried rice. Generally in fried rice we are preparing all vegetables and chicken or the prawns if you are going with the seafood, or if you're going with the meat, whatever you like, your family choice, or you can go with the vegetables. Whatever we are preparing straightly with the pot and saute and cook all the stir fry vegetables and then adding the rice into that. But here something different. First I'm preparing our vegetables and I'm marinating in a way of a biryani, so you can find taste of the biryani as well here, but the method we are preparing is a fried rice. So let me explain you what is a fried rice, what is a pilau, and what is a biryani. Biryani is a layer rice that first coming with the dry curry, then rice, then birasto, then kesar milk like saffron milk. So all the flavors are on the layers one by one. In a fried rice we are frying vegetables, chicken or the fish or prawns, anything whatever you are choosing for your family, and mixing all together. With the pilau everything is cooking with the same pot at the same time. So this is the difference between all the different names. So let's move toward our fried rice. Here I have 1 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt I have used here, and just have mixed it here. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili, ginger and garlic paste here, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of our coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, salt I have used here 1 teaspoon, you can go with your family taste, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. All goes with our yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. I'm just taking my palm, crushing it. One tablespoon of kasuri methi. Mix them well. Half cup of roughly chopped green coriander leaves, 1 cup of red cabbage and carrot here, and 1 cup of sweet corn, green beans and green peas. These all are the frozens. I'm using 1 cup here. Now I'm mixing them all and marinating our vegetables. So all is roughly mixed here. Into this I'm using vegetarian chicken. So it is soya nuggets. I have soaked for 20 minutes in a warm water here and chopped it. Simply chopped. Roughly I have chopped in a small dice. I'm going to chop this as well. I have just kept this to show you that what kind of the soya nuggets I have used here. And This is 1 cup as well. When I have soaked this, it was 50 gram, and after soaking it is expand to 1 cup. So here the proportion we have used is 2.5. So it's 1 cup of the vegetables, 1 cup of our beans, 1 cup of our soya nuggets, and going with the 3 cup of the cooked rice. So proportion is equal to equal. Rice, vegetables, our soya nuggets. So now all marination is well mixed. Now it's time to give rest for 20 minutes. So I'm giving rest for 20 minutes here, covering lid and keeping aside for a rest. After 20 minutes, our vegetables are ready here with the marination. And now I'm switching on the flame. In my cooking pot, I'm using 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using here sunflower oil. You can use olive oil. 3 tablespoons of our sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. That's it. With this, I'm adding here 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of shredded ginger, and freshly crushed garlic. I have 3 cloves of the garlic here. I'm sauteing garlic and ginger here with the bay leaf and 3 mild green chili. I have chopped in a slant cut. So I'm adding this. You can avoid 3. You can use 1 chili, or if you don't want to go with the green chili, do not worry. Just omit. Once aroma starts to release, we have our old masala here in our vegetables that we have marinated. So I'm going to add all our vegetables in a pot. Once aroma release and this all ingredients start to change color in a slight pink at the time, I'm going to add this all vegetables. Now aroma I have reduced, and at this time I'm going to add all vegetables. We have all masala in our vegetables and they all are going in a pot. So here we are cooking only with the oil, ghee and yogurt we have here, and the moisturizer will help to cook our vegetables. Mix them well. Cover lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and we'll check whether our all beans are ready. Normally the carrot and the cabbage we can eat raw as well, but we want to cook our beans. So once we will check, once our beans are ready, then we will add our 3 cups of the cooked rice here. Okay, meanwhile our vegetables are cooking here. Let's move to our smoked raita that we are serving with our fried rice. So for soaked raita, bundi raita we are making here. I have bundi here, and I'm going to use 1 cup of flavor yogurt. In this I have 1 cup of yogurt, 1 blanched red chili pepper, and I have crushed it. I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of black salt and a pinch of salt in this. Mix them well, and this 1 cup of yogurt, flavored yogurt with red pepper is going here. In this I'm using 4 tablespoons of bundi, and mix them well. And we are preparing our smoked raita. So smoked raita, I'm keeping here in the center. One small stainless steel bowl. Into this is hot charcoal straight from coming to bowl from flame, and pouring little ghee on it and quickly cover it. So all our raita will be flavored with smoke. So now move towards our vegetables. Let's check whether vegetables are ready or not here. Yes, it is ready and it is well cooked. I'm using 3 cups of cooked rice and mixing them with the vegetables. Mix them well and cover lid for 3 to 4 minutes, so all masala, vegetables and rice mix to each other, and when we are eating don't taste bland. So here I'm covering lid for 2-3 minutes. After 3 minutes our rice is ready here, and I'm switching off the flame, and now it's time to serve. If you want to serve straight, you can serve straight directly in a plate to the family or the guest you have invited, or you can serve in a different way, what I'm going to show you right now. So for that we have to cool down first our rice, so we have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'm going to serve. And if you want to serve straight or hot in a plate, you can serve straight. Ladies, our fried rice plate is ready here to serve. I have served here fried rice, raita on the top and some salad. I have decorated with the flowers, our all different vegetables you can see here. So this is a very simple recipe, but the technique of the presentation is different and unique. So when you are presenting any simple recipe to your family members at the time, they will be more happy to see and they will eat it quickly, even the children. You can see our 2 candles are here. This is in a form of candle. I have prepared them. I have used this stainless steel glass. I have just greased them with the oil and unmold them. My rice, I have pressed it nicely and unmolded it. So 2 small and 1 big candle is here. Hope you all love it. Enjoy.